In order to determine how many ethylene molecules we have in this sample, 46.2 grams, what we need to do is first we need to find the moles, and then we can find number of the molecules. So the correlation will be convert the mass first to moles, and then once we know the moles we can determine number of the molecules. Let's do it step by step. Step 1. Let's find the moles. Moles are equal the mass over the molar mass. So we have 46.2 grams, and we need to divide by the molar mass of ethylene. Molar mass of the ethylene will be equal to 2 times the molar mass of the carbon, because we have 2 carbons, plus 4 times the molar mass of the hydrogen. And so this is equal to 2 times 12.0 plus 4 times 1.0, so this is 28.0 grams per mole. Let's divide this number, 28.0 grams per mole. We can cancel the grams, so this is equal to 1.65 moles of ethylene. Second, how are we going to convert the moles to number of the molecules? We can still use this formula. One of the formulas was this: the moles are equal the number of the particles, so number of the molecules in this case, divided by the Avogadro's number. This means that in order to find the number of the molecules we need to multiply it, so this is cross multiplying. Moles times Avogadro's number, this is equal 1.65 moles times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. This is Avogadro's number, which is equal to 9.933 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of ethylene. But we need to also now pay attention to the significant figures here. So 3 significant figures. The answer also needs to have 3 significant figures, which means that we're going to look here, we're going to keep these 3 figures. We do not consider the exponents, because this is just about the order, the magnitude of the number. This is not about significant figures. So 9, 9 and 3 need to stay. These 3 need to be dropped, and this is going to stay as 3 because this number is less than 5. So this is equal to 9.93 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of the ethylene. So in the same way, the same calculation can be done slightly differently. This is just a personal preference. If you prefer to do it this way, you can write down that number of the molecules, let's put it this way, for ethylene is equal to, we're starting from the mass, we have 46.2 grams. 46.2 grams, and step 1, we need to convert these to moles. We know that every 1 mole of the ethylene weighs 28.0 grams, which is, this is the molar mass. So step 1, we go from mass to moles. Now multiply again. We know that every 1 mole, so let's show this, that this is now cancelled. Now, so step 2, I'm trying to go from moles to molecules. What I write is every 1 mole of the ethylene or anything else contains this number of particles, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules in this time. So now we can cancel the moles, and this has to give us the same number. We'll give us this number and then we'll round it off, so it will be 9.93 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of ethylene.